Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions, and today we'll show you how to open a meeting on Google Meet. So without any further ado, let's get started. To open a meet on a Google Meet, first open a web browser, go to Gmail. After that, you will see an option named New Meeting on the left side of the screen at the middle. You just have to click that, and after that there will be a pop-up named Share Your New Meeting. You just click Start Now, and there you've created a meeting on Google Meet. So that's how you can create a meeting on Google Meet. Hope you guys like this video. Share our other videos and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and peace.